The plane is equipped with an orthonormal coordinate system, defined by the origin O and the unit vectors u and v. We consider 2 points, A and B, with complex coordinates. A equals 2 times e to the I pi over 6. And B equals 2 times e to the I pi over 4. Question 1. A. Plot the points A and B in the coordinate system, O, U, V. B. Write the complex numbers A and B in algebraic form. Question 2. The vertical line parallel to the y-axis passing through point A. And the horizontal line parallel to the x-axis passing through point B. Intersect at point C. A. Find the complex coordinate C of point C. B. Verify that C squared equals 1 plus 2i times the square root of 3. Question 3. Let D be the point whose complex coordinate is C squared. A. Show that OD equals the modulus of C squared, which is 5. B. Based on this, explain how to construct point D geometrically. Question 4. Solve, in the set of complex numbers, the equation 2z squared minus 2z minus I times the square root of 6 equals 0. Let Z1 be the solution whose real part and imaginary part are both positive. Let Z2 be the other solution. Question 5. Let I, M1, and M2 be the points whose complex coordinates are 1, Z1, and Z2, respectively. A. Justify that M1 is the midpoint of the segment from to IC. B. Prove that quadrilateral OCM1M2 is a parallelogram. C. Construct the points M1 and M2 on the plane. The solution to this exercise will be explained in the next video.